Deputy Mayor, is member of City Council. My name is Enrique Perez, and I live at San Pablo, and I'm just a retired Internal Revenue Service representative. I bought my home in 1986 and refinanced in 2005. Now I owe $479,000 on my mortgage. My home value today is only $160,000, and I want to keep my home here and continue living here in San Pablo for several reasons. I have 4 children who were born here and raised in San Pablo. I have my wife have a tax preparation business. She operated for 20 years while I'm working in the Internal Revenue Service. And if I lost my home, I will continue the business here together with my wife. If I lost my home, we will lose all our clients and the loss for business in San Pablo. So I urge San Pablo that we need this program. Please support it so that the people like me can save our homes and continue living in San Pablo. Let us join the Richmond and continue to form a joint power authority which they lead this process, this program, so that we can move forward in the local principal adoption program. Although there are several programs that are available, banks are predatory and they deny me for modification a couple of times. So I urge the city of San Pablo, which is my hope, that you will join this city of Richmond. Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate you being here. Jim Hammond.